Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at Euclidean rhythms. So yeah, as you can see on the page, there's a circle with 8 segments. So the 8 segments represents a bar. So this full circle represents a bar, and these are split into 8s, as you can see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a bar. So what you do is, this is a quick way if you're stuck and you just need a bit of groove to get you going. I'm just going to use a snare for now, but you can use any synth, any instrument, anything basically. So let's draw. So you're drawing triangles. Any triangle. You can start from any point. You can take 1, 3, 6. Right? So that's the first one. So what that does is, so at 1, you need to place a marker. At number 3, so it's 1, 2, 3. And then at 6, 4, 5, 6. So that's 1, 3, 6. And then you'll have a so that's the basics of it. So you can take another color and pop another one in. Say you're gonna go 7, 5. Let's try 7, 5, 1. So what's that? 7, 5, 1. So let's try. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would be the 1, 5, 7 pattern we're looking at. Yeah, so let's try one more. Let's go for number 2. 2. Let's go 2. I don't know, 2, 4, 8. So that's the orange one. So let's look at 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 2, 4, 8. So yeah, that's the basic of Euclidean patterns, and you can use it for 2 bars. You just have to make your spacings a bit bigger. You can do it for 16ths, anything with an even number. You can even do 7 and 12. But yeah, this is just the basics to just get a groove going. So what I mean is, to get something interesting, you can take, say, serum. Right, let's pop some to the side. Let's just get a sound. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, let's make the 8th pattern. Sorry, so let's just make this a bit smaller. Okay, so let's just make an 8th. So what I meant is, so let's follow a pattern. Let's use the 2, 4, 8 pattern. 2, 4, 8. So that's the 2, 4, 8 pattern. Let's see how it sounds. And what's cool about this, you can duplicate it across the 8 bars. FM. Okay. So let's hear it across the 8 bars. I'm just gonna record some automation on the cutoff. So it can also be some nice I'm just popping in a snare there, just make it sound a bit better. I just throw in any random snare. I'm just trying to open it. But yeah, this is what we need to focus on, the Euclidean rhythm. What I also like to do is, now that we have the initial groove, you can kind of start mucking around with it. So you can add like small little stabs in front of them, just to add a bit more interestingness. So from a basic triangle that we had over here, just a simple any random triangle in the spaces of 8s, we got quite a fun little pattern. If you want something faster, you can turn your 8s into 16s. And then you'll have something even faster. Yeah. So that's the basic of Euclidean rhythms using simple triangles. Thanks for watching, guys.